to my new sound effect I've made. It is called the banging fence sound effect, and you can use it in your videos if it's like a banging thing. So let's start.